Hello, my name is Julie White. I'm a learning strategist with Planet Technologies, and this month we're doing a series of tips and tricks on Teams meetings. This is our final video in the series, and it's on how to keep things fun in Teams meetings. One way we keep things fun at Planet is to have themed happy hours. So we're all asked to wear fun shirts or find a background that works for the theme. And so today I'll be showing you a couple of tips and features for keeping things fun in Microsoft Teams. Let's take a look. The first feature in meetings that I want to share with you to help your team keep things fun is how to add background effects. So if we go into the ellipses of the team meeting details, we'll find adding a background. If you click on Add New, when you find that image, click Open, and it will be added to the list. You can always click Preview or Apply and turn on. Another quick tip for you about applying your own background effects is that you can remove these as well. So the ones that you add, you can click on the ellipses on the image and click Remove. The next features I want to show you about keeping things fun in your Teams meetings is in the chat area. Now you may all be familiar with the emojis, but if you click on the emoji icon, you get the full list. So if you're trying to find an expression or an emotion to express to your team, you can always open it and find it to be able to click on it and then send. These are really great to share excitement with your team during the meeting or show the presenter that you're engaged and listening. In this same vein, we also have GIFs. If you click on the GIF icon, you'll be able to search using keywords for a GIF that would share emotions or excitement and really start communicating to your team about how you're feeling about the presentation, the meeting, or what is happening in the conversation. And lastly, I want to show you the stickers as well. Now, there are a lot of things in the stickers that you can choose from. There's popular, office drama, but the cool thing that I wanted to show you was the memes. You can choose from existing images and create your own memes to make sure that it goes with the subject that you're talking about. And you can also add your own images to create custom memes. I hope this series on Teams meetings was helpful for you. If you'd like to discuss any of the features or functionality for Microsoft Teams with a Planet Learning Strategist, feel free to contact us at info@futureproofyourworkforce.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.